Did you know that adding salt to your pasta water actually makes it boil slower, not faster? Today, we're testing 3 viral cooking myths that might be ruining your meals. First up, the salt myth. Watch this thermometer as we heat 2 pots of water. The plain water hits boiling first every single time. Salt raises the boiling point, so it takes longer to bubble. Next, does putting bread in your brown sugar really keep it soft? After 3 days, the bread method works perfectly. The sugar stays fluffy while our control batch turned rock hard. Finally, can you really cook an egg using just hot tap water? We're cracking this egg into the hottest water our faucet can produce. After 20 minutes of waiting, it's still completely raw. This hack is totally fake. The craziest part is how many people believe these without testing them. The brown sugar trick actually works great, but forget about the salt and hot water myths. Sometimes the internet gets it wrong, but now you know the truth.